performing leg extension. So for this, we'll start with the seat setup. So if I put the seat too far behind, he is already feeling the stretch on his quads because the seat is so far behind that he is already in a flex position. The same thing happens if I put the seat all the way ahead. Here also, he's actually feeling the stretch on his quads. He's actually further ahead from the normal setting. So we'll take a setting where he feel relaxed and not stretched from the starting itself. So from the bottom position, if he's feeling stretched because of the seat is too far ahead or behind, we'll put a stance where he feel most comfortable. From here, he'll take it up and then he'll bring it slow. When he take it up, he's completely extending his knees, and then from there, he's bringing it down slow in a controlled manner, and you repeat the process.